Okay, today's endeavor is a 2002 Toyota RAV4 gas tank replacement. It has a leak on the top of the tank. So the first thing we need to do, obviously, is we're going to jack it up, jack stand it. I removed the drive shaft and the exhaust system to get out of the way because it's a saddle tank. It goes on both sides. You can access the pump and all the evap stuff from inside the vehicle. Just take the seats out. And next step obviously is to drain the fuel out. And what I have is a electric pump, pumped it out into the 5-gallon can. And there's always more in there than you think. Like this thing said it had a quarter of a tank, but it was almost 5 gallons of gas came out of it. So, and we have a new tank here. And I took the fuel pump unit out. It's ready to be installed. And we have a set of gaskets and seals. And that's going to be that. By the end of today, hopefully, we'll have this finished. And this is a pretty cool car because it belongs to my son. This is his 30th birthday present to get a gas tank installed. Those tags go back to 1955. My father procured them for his brand new 1955 Chevy. It's nice to have them still in the family, third generation. My son runs them now. My father would be very happy about that. People thought he owned a radio station. so, so there you have it. 2002 RAV4 gas tank replacement. And in fact, up here, we still have the other iterations of that tag in the wall of tags. So there you have it. 2002 Toyota RAV4 fuel tank replacement project. It is insertion time. The new tank is completely dressed. This was a nice kit. It came with all the bolts and gaskets and everything to replace all the screws. Very good. I used this same company on eBay for my Chevy, and I would use them again for sure after this because I had no problems at all transferring everything from the old tank to this one. Got underneath there, did some welding. I welded the brackets back onto the exhaust, a couple of things like that, and got at it with the Pour 15 real good, especially all the evap lines. So hopefully this car will go a couple of more years and not rot into the ground like it has been. Stay tuned. The headlight restoration process really works if you take your time, be patient, and don't burn the plastic. Stay tuned. And there you have it. Fuel tank, window seal, headlight refurbishment, a little bit of small areas of body work, Pour 15 underneath, maintenance, oil change, etc., etc., etc. Check the charging system and the battery is good, and I will talk to the owner about that. All around, good project. The whole idea here was to get a couple more years out of it, and I think we did. We also welded the exhaust back together. There you have it.